morning, students. Class 8th. It is third period, maths period. Students, in the previous classes, we have completed exercise 2.1. Today we will discuss exercise 2.2, representation of rational number on the number line, and to find the 5 rational number and 10 rational numbers, 20 rational number between two given rational numbers. Now students, question number 1 is represent on the number line, represent given rational numbers, that is 7/4 and -5/6. 7/4 and -5/6 are two rational numbers we have to represent on the number line. Students, first we will discuss 7/4. To represent 7/4 on the number line, first of all we will draw a number line. Students, draw a number line with the help of scale and pencil. Scale and pencil. Draw a number line with the help of scale and pencil. In the mid, we will mark as 0. Student, that is 0. Student, as you know that from 0 towards right hand side, we will take positive integers, and from 0 to left hand side, we will take negative integers. Now students, at equal distance from 0, that is 1 positive, and that is 0 to 1, 1, that is 2. Students, distance should be equal. 0 to 1 distance and 1 to distance should be equals. Same as it is, from left hand side we will take, that is -1 and that is -2. Now student, we will discuss how can we represent 7/4 on the number line. Students, we are observing here that in 7/4, that is 7 is numerator and 4 is denominator. 4, that is, and denominator is 4. Now if denominator is 4, we will divide 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. 1 to 2 also into 4 equal parts. 0 to -1 also into 4 equal parts. -1 to -2 also into 4 equal parts. Students, if in this part denominator is 6, so 0 to 1 we will divide into 6 equal parts. If denominator is 6, we will divide into 6 equal parts. 1 to 2 is also divided into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. Students, it depends on the denominator. If denominator is 4, we will divide 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. If denominator is 3, we will divide 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. If denominator is 2, we will divide 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts. Now student, in first part, that is 7/4. First part, we have to represent 7/4 on the number line. 7/4 on the number line. Now students, in denominator there is 4. So 0 to 1, we will divide into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, and that is 4. Now student, if we have divided into 4 equal parts, that it becomes, that is 1/4, it becomes, that is 2/4, that is 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. Now we will divide 1 to 2 also into 4 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4. Now student, that is becomes 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 7 by 4 and that is 8 by 4. Now student, as you know that 8 by 4 is equal to 2, that is 2. Now we have to represent 7 by 4 on the number line. Now student, that is 7 by 4, that is 7 by 4, that is 7 by 4 and you have to mark it 7 by 4. Student, any doubt, any problems? Please note down it. Please note down it. Now students, second part is second part is it is a rational number, that is minus 5 by 6. Students, minus 5 by 6 is a rational number. To represent minus 5 by 6 on the number line, first of all we will draw a number line with the help of scale and pencil. Scale and pencil. Students, that is 0. And as you know that towards right hand side there will be positive integers, that is 1, that is 2. And towards left hand side there will be negative integers, that is minus 1, that is minus 2, that is minus 2. Students, now denominator is 6. Now we will divide 0 to minus 1 into 6 equal parts. Students, equal parts. The space will be between 2 rational numbers and 3 rational numbers, 4 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers should be equal gaps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, it will becomes minus 1 by 6, that will become minus 2 by 6, that will become minus 3 by 6, that will become minus 4 by 6, that will become minus 5 by 6, and that is equal to minus 6 by 6 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Now student, we have to represent minus 5 by 6. We have to already obtain minus 5 by 6 here. Minus 5 by 6. There is no, we have to proceed minus 1 to minus 2 because we have obtained a number minus 5 by 6 here. Now students, minus 5 by 6, that is minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Make a arrowhead and write minus 5 by 6. Please note down students. Note down students. Now student, your next question number 2. Exercise 2.2. Question number 2. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 2 by 11, comma, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. On the number line. On the number line. Student, this is a single one questions. In first question there are two parts, so we have to make two number line. But this is a single question. That is represent -2 by 11, -5 by 11, and -9 by 11 on the same number line. Students, to represent these rational number on the number line, we will take a number line. Student, draw a number line with the help of scale and pencil. Now student, that is 0, and you are observing here that numbers are on the negative numbers. We will take towards left hand side. Now 0 to right hand side, that will equal to 1, and towards left hand side we will take, that is -1. That is -1. That is -1. That is -2. Now students, what is in denominator? You know, in denominator that is 11. So we will divide 0 to -1 into 11 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that is 11. That is -1. Student, that is -1 by 11. That is -2 by 11. That is -3 by 11. That is -4 by 11. That is -5 by 11. That is -6 by 11. That is -7 by 11. That is -8 by 11. That is -9 by 11. That is -10 by 11, or that is -11 by 11. That is equal to 1. Now student, we have to represent -2 by 11. That is -2 by 11. Make a arrowhead and write -2 by 11. Now student, -5 by 11, make a arrowhead and write, that is -2 by 11. Now students, -9 by 11, that is -9 by 11. Make a arrowhead and write -9 by 11. Student, any doubt, any problems? Please note down it. Students, question number 3 is exercise 2.2, question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. Now students, draw a number line. Find 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. Student, that is 0, and that is 1, and that is 2, and that is -1, that is -2. Student, we have to write 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. It means that is 2. If we will move towards right hand side, it means a rational number greater than 2. If we will move towards left hand side, rational number smaller than 2. Students, here that is become, that is here is 1 and 2, that is 1 by 5, 1 by 2, sorry, that is 1 by 2, that is 1, that is students 1 and 2, 1 and 2. If this is 1 and this is 2, that is 1.5, 1 and 2. In the middle of 1 and 2, that is 1.5. 1.5 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And that is 0 to 1. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is 0. And from this, it becomes minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1. Same as it is minus 1 and minus 2, that is minus 1.5, and minus 1.5 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 you can move such as that is that you can write as that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2.5, that is minus 5 by 2. These are rational numbers. You can write so many rational numbers. So rational numbers smaller than 2r, that is 3 by 2, that is 1 is also a rational number, that is 1 by 2. 0 is also a rational number, that is minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write only minus 5. Students, इसके अंदर जो आंसर होगा वो सबका डिफरेंट हो सकता है, सबका आंसर सेम नहीं हो सकता. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या है, ये स्टार्टिंग के लिख रहे, कुछ बाद के लिख रहे, कुछ इनके बीच के और भी रैशनल नंबर आ सकते हैं, और भी रैशनल नंबर इनके बीच में आ सकते हैं. That is 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So many rational numbers between these rational numbers. So the answer will not fix. इसका आंसर जो है वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है, कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask me. Please note down it. Now students, question number 4th is, question number 4th one is, question number 4th is, students, find 10 rational numbers between, find 10 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Students, these are two rational numbers. We have to find 10 rational numbers between two rational numbers. Student, how can we solve it? First of all, we will make the denominator same of both rational numbers. Students, what is the LCM of 5 and 2? LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Now students, minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 10. Student, how many times 10 come in table of 5? That is 2. So multiplied with 2 and also divided by 2. 5 to the 10, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Now student, that is 1 by 2. That is, here is 10. LCM is 10. Students, how many times 10 come in table of 2? That is 2 5s are 10. So multiplied by 5 divided by 5. Multiply by 5 divided by 5. So 1 5 is a 5. Students, here we are observing that denominators become same. Denominators are same. Students, can you find out 10 rational numbers, that is minus 4 and 5? That can becomes minus 3 by 10, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 8. Now 8. We have to find out 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers. If you have to find out 10 rational number, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. That is 11. Now students, in next steps you will do minus 4 by 10 multiplied 11 divided by 11. That is minus 44 by 110. And 5 by 10 multiplied 11 also multiplied, that is 55 by 110. Students, in these questions answer will not change. सभी स्टूडेंट्स के आंसर क्या है, डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम इसको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई, कोई स्टूडेंट इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर, दैट विल बी करेक्ट मेथड, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. कोई स्टूडेंट इसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है, 5 से डिवाइड कर रहा है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ओनली 10 रैशनल नंबर्स. इनके बीच में 10 रैशनल नंबर कुछ भी आ सकते हैं. फिक्स नहीं है कि रैशनल नंबर जो मैं फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूं वही आपके आएंगे. इनके बीच में 10 रैशनल नंबर कोई भी आ सकते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers. Rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are. That is minus 44 and that is 55. Student, minus 44 and 55 के बीच में minus 43 भी आता है. minus 43 by 110. Students, this is less than. That is minus 42 by 110. Minus 41 by 110. That is minus 40 by 110. Minus 39 by 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student, next is that is less than minus 38 by 110. Minus 37 by 110. Minus 36 by 110, minus 37 by 110. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is minus 36 by 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 rational numbers which are lie between minus 2 by 5 and 102. Students, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि इसका आंसर यही होगा. आपका डिफरेंट आंसर आ सकता है. इन दोनों नंबरों के बीच में बहुत सारे रैशनल नंबर लाई कर सकते हैं. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि मैंने जो आंसर लिखा है कि आंसर यही है. आपका डिफरेंट आंसर भी हो सकता है, लेकिन इनके बीच में होना चाहिए. These rational numbers should lie between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Student, note down it. Now students, in exercise that is 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Sorry student, it is exercise 1.2. Now student, in exercise 1.2, question numbers exercise 1.2, question numbers 5th, 6th and 7th. You have to try in homework. If you have any problems, we will discuss later on in the next class. Please tell me if you have any problems. We will discuss later in class, next class. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.